If you are new, welcome to my channel. It is Dave. I can give another video for y'all. So if you haven't read that title already, we're gonna be doing a little vloggy vlog today. We're gonna go outside, get some fresh air, and we're gonna be making a spooky bouquet. I've been seeing these all over TikTok, and I literally cannot find somebody in Atlanta that makes them. And probably if I did find somebody, they probably would have charged me $300 to $400 to make it. Y'all already know how it go in Atlanta. So this is the fit of the day before we go to the stores. I'm actually about to go get in the car to go to the stores real quick to gather my supplies, but this is the fit. Super cute. It's giving Gossip Girl, even though we're in Atlanta with the scammers. But yeah, I'm so excited. I've been wanting one of these. I've been literally seeing them all over TikToks, and I honestly think somebody should have gifted it to me like a boy, but you know, we here now and we're gonna do it ourselves because we're independent ladies. But I'm ready to go to the store so I can see what they have. That way I can know like what I'm doing, because if they don't have anything, then I can't do anything. So let's go ahead and head to the store. For breakfast, I haven't eaten a single thing but this. So this is what we're taking, which is a protein shake. It's not food, but close enough, I guess. Okay, so I'm looking for the Halloween stuff. I have to go towards the back. They didn't have it in the front anymore. They started putting out the Christmas stuff, and I got a few items you literally can't see, but I got two little items that are Christmas related, even though we came in here for Halloween stuff. As I'm walking through Target, I don't get what the girlies be like. What is the obsession with Target? Like, it's organized and it's aesthetic, but Walmart is my girl. Like, I feel like I'm the first person that'll ever say that. So this is what they got right here. But it's really just like candy and stuff. Like the decor. Yeah, y'all probably can't hear me because they're playing music and I don't want to get copyrighted. But long story short, they barely have anything in here. They're getting ready for Christmas, so they're taking all the Halloween stuff down, even though Halloween is all the way next week. I don't get it, but they don't really have anything. But I think I'm gonna have to go to a different store because they don't really have anything anymore, because they're getting rid of all the Halloween stuff to put Christmas stuff, and there's like nothing in here at all. So like, look at all the emptiness. For the colorings, they have a lot of like reds and pinks, but I was looking for like black, white, orange, kind of like Halloween type of vibes, and then I didn't like these, so I really just got these. And they have these, but they didn't really fit the vibes either. So these are the only ones we found in here, because the selection just wasn't really that big. They didn't really have any flowers, so this is all we really got. Okay, so we're about to get started. I'm listening to music, so I just want to like vibe out and I don't know, just get into it. I can't really tell you what I'm gonna do like verbatim because it's my first time doing this, so we're just gonna do it together, you know? Yeah, so let's go ahead and get the flowers out. Have everything on the table for easy access. Okay, so now that they're all like out, I'm going to separate they say separate like the leaves. I'm sorry, but they gotta go. You're supposed to use like shears, but I really don't have any. I feel so bad that I'm even doing this. It really hurts my heart. Oh, it hurts my heart so bad. But it's supposed to look like that, so I have to that and come back. So I did take all the leaves off, and I also took some of the petals off, unfortunately, but this is how they look. They're supposed to look like this. And it really does pay me to do this. But they're supposed to look like a little fresher, so I have to get some of the petals off. The older ones that are like kind of rotting away. And then I just kind of like lightly open it up a little bit. And I'm really just following like the inside of the rose. But I'm just trying to open it so it can be like just a little full or a little bloomed. I don't know the word for it. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but I feel like it's a big difference in the flowers between this. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing it, and I have to do all the flowers, well, just the roses, and then I can start arranging it, the fun part.